Xbox.
What's up, this is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the mouse button from a Dell Alienware 14 version R1. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. Now unscrew and remove base cover. Now unscrew battery. Then unplug and remove battery. Now unscrew DVD optical drive. Then unplug and remove DVD optical drive. Now unplug indicator light cable. Next, remove bottom base screws. Next, remove hinge screws. Now separate the palm rest and turn it over. Then unplug and remove palm rest touchpad. Now unplug the touchpad and mouse button cables. Then unscrew and remove mouse buttons. Need more? Check out these other tutorials. For batteries, click here. For hard drives, click here. For wireless cards, click here. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give this video a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check the video description below for links to written tutorials and replacement parts.